If you are getting a P0096 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0096. It indicates that the engine control module has determined that the intake air temperature sensor 2 is not operating in the normal sensor range, and the ECM cannot use the sensor output to determine intake air temperature. Here are 2 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the IAT sensor. The IAT sensor could be on the throttle body attached right to the intake manifold. First, carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the IAT sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Method B, the air filter. Locate the air filter housing. It usually looks like a black plastic box. Disengage the cover to expose the air filter. Be careful not to dislodge any hoses or stretch any wiring when you do this. Remove the old filter carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the filter as it comes out of the housing. Clean out any excessive dirt or debris inside the compartment before installing the new filter. Follow the orientation of the removed filter, and put the new filter in place. Make sure the outer seal is seated properly before closing the cover. Close the cover and replace the clips and screws. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0096 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.